Good morning viewers. Exercise 10.3 question number 7. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers is given to you. So we'll assume the larger number as x and smaller number as y. That's going to be our first step. Let the larger number is equal to x and let the smaller number is equal to y. And here it's given as difference of the squares is 180. So square of larger number is x square, square of smaller number is y square. Difference between their squares is given as 180. So write it as x square minus y square is equal to 180, equation number 1. Now we have got one more data here. That data is square of the smaller number is 8 times larger number. So square of smaller number is y square is equal to 8 times. So 8 into x. So that's going to be our second equation. Y square is equal to 8x. So now let's come back to this equation. Here you can see y square. So in the place of y square you are going to replace this 8x here. So this equation 1 becomes x square minus 8x is equal to 180. In the next step, this one you are going to shift it here. That means you are going to get x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. So now here you have got here, that is x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. So for minus 180 you have to find the factors. Minus 180, the suitable factors are 18 and 10. So because 18 should be given negative sign, since the middle term is having a negative sign, you are going to get the middle term. You are going to split the middle term as minus 18 and plus 10. When you add these two, you are getting that is minus 8x here. When you multiply minus into plus, it's going to be minus 18 into 10, 180. So the first term should be written as it is, the last term as it is. Instead of minus 8x, we are going to write minus 18x plus 10x, and the last term comes as it is. Now, in the first two terms, you group x. Group the first two terms and take x common. Write it x into this is going to be x and minus x we have taken common. So 18 comes here as it is. And from the last two, you can take 10 common. So take 10 here. And the plus sign, obviously it must be common sign from these two terms. X remains, write x as it is, minus. Here you have got 180. You have taken 10 common. 10 into 18 is 180. So write 18 here. 0 comes as it is. So in this case, I can see the binomial x minus 18 is common. So that you take it as highest common factor. So take it at that is the remaining variable, that is x plus 10 comes in the bracket, which is equal to 0. The product of this is 0. That means either this must be 0 or x plus 10 must be 0. That is written here. So x is equal to the 0 minus 18 shift, it's going to be plus 18. And here x is equal to 0. This one shift, it's going to be minus 10. So these two are required x values, but discard the negative value. Take x as 18. If x is equal to 18, what's our y square you see there? That is 18 to 18, which is equal to 144. So that means y is equal to square root of 144, which is equal to, therefore, the two numbers, the larger number is 18 and the smaller number is 12. That's all about this answer.